Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add products to TikTok Shop. So first thing that you will do is simply download the Seller Center app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and from there just simply log in with your TikTok account. And once the app is installed, just simply tap on the products tab located at the bottom of the screen, and from there guys just simply click on add a product to start the process of adding your item. And from there guys just simply provide the necessary information about your product. So just simply upload your product image and give your product a name, and just simply select the appropriate category for your product, and just simply add a product description, and you can even use an AI to generate one. And after that guys, just simply upload a video if you have one. And from there guys, once you have provided the basic product information, just simply click on submit for review once all information is provided. And from there just wait for approval from TikTok Shop, and once it is approved you'll be able to publish it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.